Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to craft a delicious homemade chicken zinger burger. We will begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything on hand for a smooth cooking process. You will need about 500 grams of boneless chicken, along with spices for a flavorful marinade. Don't forget the flour and cornstarch for that signature crispy coating, plus fresh buns and toppings. This guide will help you create a truly satisfying meal. Now, let's prepare our chicken for that irresistible crunch. First, flatten your chicken fillets to about 1/2 inch thick for even cooking. Marinate them in a flavorful blend of buttermilk, hot sauce, and spices for at least 1 hour or even overnight. Next, create a wet batter and a seasoned dry flour mixture. Dip each fillet into the wet batter, then thoroughly coat it in the dry mix, pressing firmly to ensure a thick, flaky crust. It's time to achieve that perfect golden crispiness. Heat your cooking oil to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the coated chicken fillets into the hot oil, frying them in small batches to prevent the temperature from dropping. Cook each piece for about 7 to 9 minutes, flipping once until it's beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. Remember to drain them on a wire rack, not paper towels, to keep them extra crispy. The final step is assembling your magnificent Zinger burger. Lightly toast your burger buns to a golden hue. Spread a generous amount of your tangy homemade sauce on both the top and bottom buns. Layer fresh lettuce, your perfectly crispy chicken fillet, a slice of cheese, and some juicy tomato slices. Crown it with the top bun, and there you have it, a homemade Zinger burger ready to be devoured. Serve it hot with some crispy fries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.